Hello children, welcome to Chem is Right channel. Today I am going to take the previous year questions only on the naming the organic compounds from 2016 to 2020. Before I start this, I just want to give you a quick revision on the nomenclature rules of organic compounds. Simple. So you know that there are already we need three parts in the naming organic compounds. One is prefix, word root, suffix. Prefix depends upon the substituents attached. So alkyl group, halogens, those will be called prefixes. Word root, so that gives us, or that depends upon the number of carbon chain in main, number of carbon atoms in the main chain. So always you have to select the longest carbon chain. So count the number of carbon atoms, you will get the word root. You know, meth, eth, prop, bute, etc. Suffix, it depends upon the type of carbon-carbon bond. So if it is single bond ANE, double bond ENE, triple bond YNE. Sometimes we may also require to write the secondary suffix if there are any functional groups present. The main four functional groups are alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. So the secondary suffix we use for alcohol is OL, ol, that is alcohol, Al for aldehyde, 1 for ketone, oic acid for carboxylic acid, all al 1 oic acid. Not only, sometimes we need to number the carbon atoms. So in that case, we have to give the preference as per this. If there is a functional group, you start numbering from there. Means the functional group should get the smallest possible number. If the functional group is in middle, you should not start from there. In such a way, you have to number it that functional group should get the smallest possible number. Then comes double or triple bond. If there is no functional group but there is a substituent in double or triple bond, the double or triple bond should be given preference. Means it should get the smallest possible number. If the both are not there, then you give the preference to substituents. You have to number in such a way that substituents should get the smallest possible number. So now let's take the questions from 2020 question paper. So you can see here, draw the structural formula for following. First one, 2,2-dimethyl pentane. 2,2-dimethyl pentane, the pent is the root word. Pent means 5 carbon atoms. So write 5 carbon atoms like this. Ane means all are single bond. And you have 2,2-dimethyl. So this is the substituent. Dimethyl means there are two methyl groups and 2, 2 represents the position of both methyl. So both are at second carbon. So you write one methyl here, another methyl here. So now what you have to do is just satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. So you have to write hydrogen like this. Show hydrogen for all the carbons. So this is the structural formula for 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Second one, methanol. Meth means 1, ane means single bond, ol means alcohol group. So 1 with ol alcohol group. Okay, done. The remaining valency you should satisfy with hydrogen. H. Let's go to second question here. Write the IUPAC name for the following compounds: acetaldehyde, acetylene. These both are common names. So you have to remember the common names as well for some molecules. Acetaldehyde common name. Acetaldehyde IUPAC name will be, aldehyde is there. Okay, so it will be CH3CHO. I'm just giving you the formula here so that you can understand. CH3CHO is nothing but what is the IUPAC name? Ethanol. Ethanol, AL. You have to write AL clearly. Acetylene will be your CH triple bond CH. This is ethine. Ethine is called acetylene. Okay, this is 2020. Let's go to next one. Give the IUPAC name of the following organic compounds. See here, they have given you the structure and ask you to write the name. Count the total number of carbons in the main chain, 1, 2, 3. So 3 means you have to write prop, word root. there is a triple bond between carbon and carbon, so it will be YNE. Where is it? At the first position, but there are no substituents, so it doesn't matter. So just write propine. So this will be propine, or you can write 1 propine, or prop 1 ine, YNE triple bond. Second one, this is, you can see here, this is aldehyde group, C double bond OH, and there are 2 carbon atoms. So ethane, between carbon and carbon, single bond, so AN. Aldehyde, AL, secondary suffix. So the IUPAC name of this is ethanol. What is the special feature of structure of ethine? So if you write the structure of ethine, it is C triple bond C. Special feature is what you can write, this is a linear molecule. It has a bond angle of this 180 degree. That can be your special feature of ethine. Name the saturated hydrocarbon containing 2 carbon atoms. Saturated means it is containing only carbon single bond. It may be between carbon and carbon or carbon and hydrogen. So here containing 2 carbon atoms means eth, means ethane will be the compound. Give the structural formula of acetic acid. Again, acetic acid is the common name. Acetic acid formula you know already because we are using it a lot of time. This is CH3COOH. IUPAC name for this will be ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. So structural formula how you have to write C H H H C double bond O O H. This will be the structural formula for acetic acid. Again, give IUPAC name for the following. Again, you can see what is this group. Aldehyde, there is only 1 carbon, so it is methanol. Second one, here you have to identify the functional group OH, and there are no other substituents. Number of carbons 3. 3 means prop, carbon single bond, and there is alcohol, proper, where it is first carbon, propane 1 all. You can also write it 1 propanol. Many people do mistake of writing propane all, they will write. See, you should be careful here, this is not correct. When 2 vowels are coming one after another, like here E and O, you know, A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. So when they are coming one after another, you have to skip here E. So you will just write propane 1 all, not propane E, you will not write. Many students do that mistake. Next, third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a double bond. So 4 means but, double bond means ene, but where is the double bond? Number it 1, 2, 3, 4. You number it other way, it will come at the same position 2, 3. So it will be but 2 ene. There are no substituents. So but 2 ene, or you can also write 2 butene. Write the structural formula of the 2 isomers of butane. So butane, structural isomers means they have same molecular formula but different structural formula. Butane is alkane, the molecular formula will be C4H. You know, CnH10 plus 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So what structures are possible here? One straight chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and satisfy with hydrogen atoms. Structural formula always show the all carbon hydrogen bonds as well. This is common name N-butane. One more way you can write is you can write one branch here like this, H, H, H. So satisfy all the valencies by hydrogen. Butane. So this will be your isobutane or 2-methyl propane, IUPAC name. Next, draw the structural formula for each of the following. 2,3-dimethyl butane. But is the root word. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ane means all are single bonds. Dimethyl means two methyl groups at the position 2 and 3. So one you write here, another you write here. Okay, or I will write it above so that I can get the space to write hydrogens. So just satisfy the valency by hydrogen. Okay, next, diethyl ether. Ether functional group is this: oxygen attached to two carbon atoms. Diethyl ether is a common name. This time it is not there for our syllabus, but just to give you, diethyl means whatever uh, group attached to the oxygen, that will be two ethyl groups. So C2H5 here, C2H5 here. If there is one methyl and one ethyl, you will call it as ethyl methyl ether. So these are common names again. Since it is not there, I'm not going to write in detail structure. Okay. Propanoic acid, third one. This is first one. This is second one. Third one, propanoic acid. Prop means three. 1, 2, 3. Remember here, oic acid is for functional group of acid is COOH. So its suffix, secondary suffix will be oic acid. So one of the carbons should contain COH. That means OOH. So 1, 2, 3. Prop. Okay, and now just satisfy the valencies of carbon by hydrogen. That's it. Your propanoic acid. This is 2016. Write the IUPAC name of each of the following. You can see here. If it's not visible, I will write H double bond C, H, C, H, H and H. So you have to write the name of this. 1, 2, 3 carbons, prop, word root. There is a double bond. So in, where is the double bond? At the first carbon. If you number it, double bond should get the smallest possible number. So here, prop 1 in. Propene, you can also write just propene. Second one, I will write the condensed formula now for second one. If it is not visible, CH3, C triple bond, C, CH3. So it always makes it easy. If they give you structural formula, you write the condensed formula to write the name. You will not have confusion. Again, here what is the word root? 1, 2, 3, 4, but, and numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. At the second position you have a triple bond, so but 2YNE, suffix for triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond. So this is but 2-wine or 2-butane, you can write. Third one, CH3 C double bond OH. So C double bond OH is aldehyde. There are two carbons, so NAL, ethanol is the IUPAC name. Common name is what? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So these are the organic nomenclature questions from 2016 to 2020. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share, subscribe and tell your friends. I'm going to make some more videos on the previous year questions on other chapters. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.